On a JRMSweeps, I have a 2019 Yamaha Raptor 700 we're going to change the oil on. Let's get started. For this particular model, you can see right here with the oil filter removal, it's going to take 1.85 liters or right at 2 quarts. I have 2 quarts of oil. You need to make sure that it meets the JASO standard of MA. This does. Also have the oil filter. Now if we're going to change this without the oil filter, it's going to be 1.75 liters or 1.85 quarts. There is a vent tube right here. What you want to do is you want to pull this out because this tube may interfere with that drain bolt underneath there. The drain bolt is right here. When you remove the drain plug, there is going to be a little washer right here. You want to make sure that you either retain this or replace it with a new one. Oil filter is going to be located right here. I'm using a number 5 Allen wrench. This is the old filter. This is the new filter. The new filter is going to come with all of the O-rings already installed. On the new filter, I just took some oil and lubricated this O-ring here, this one as well. I like to set my oil filter inside of the housing, and then I'll take it, guide that in. This is the oil tank. Underneath it is a drain bolt. You'll need to remove that and drain all the oil out of this guy as well. When you remove the oil tank plug, it will have a bolt and a washer here. You need to either reuse this washer or replace it with a new one. This is the engine oil filler cap right here. You are going to put the oil here. Do not fill the oil up through the dipstick. You're going to need an Allen wrench to loosen that up. The manual says add 1.37 quarts of oil. So what that means is you're going to add 1 quart first. So about 0.37 of a quart is going to be about 12 ounces. 1 quart is 32, so I'm just going to pour this in until it gets to the 20 mark. You then need to put the oil fill cap back on. I'm going to turn the bike on, rev it a few times, we'll turn the bike off, open this up, and then I'll add the rest of that quart of oil that I have left over, because the total amount of oil this bike takes is 1.96 quarts, which is right at almost 2 quarts. Okay, with the bike off, we're going to go ahead and add the remainder of the quart that I have left over. Thanks for watching.